story ne say yenyina yenim se na nsen ade ba ko abe problem wo man mu ha no se Ghana ni waba na ase se to abama no na wanya gidie wo na asem no a okanum na wato abama no no ebra so se so komrehye badwafi a onko emra ya hyehye ewe yekura mu nso kire se BBC ekoba se BBC na ntimi nko parliament a ese o seek permission. Say offer article 97.1 of the constitution no specifically you can see no a kire wonsunsuanso ne asotwe a e was say the member of parliament one core parliament na one sere kwan again so I can kind of standing orders what parliament okay standing order 16.1 no and also Charles says so I am member of parliament so bet you untimi nko parliament and you was say now at Ukraine 2nd March 2022 and the former Kumbugu member of parliament Ras Mubarak honorable a petition speaker say ne hwehwe mu a wa peke from the hazard of parliament actually say nipo mu didi so yi honorable Sarah Adwoasafo that time no a member of parliament or Domi Kwabenya. Henry Kwete no wa ya waso central. Ebenezer Kwajokum no wa Hunter West. And of course, Kennedy or Hine Japan na nyina nim say Asin Central na no wo. Hansard of parliament e capture say na omo absent to more than 15 days na permission enter to. Ye news okrum ha deja ye kan ho asem ye kako nifa ye kako benkum ye kako yanim ye kako yachi ekowi achire na nsi hwe bibia nsi okrum ha enye onwanwa se sa nipa nan ni nyina no se omukọ committee nanim se omanko committee nanim se omukọ se den na omukan was it coincidence for ni nyina na hands that capture se omoye absent for parliament entimi ampane hwe obi aso okrum ha. Now this is the story. Enra, I read from online. Say a member of parliament or what naririgu. So be a northern and I'm not in any way demeaning the town. It is just the pronunciation. Na le rigu Gambaga constituency member of parliament. Your friend Mumuni Nuruddin Muhammad. Na enra me hu so me yam shame. At every one the reason I would join the floor of parliament. Or children members of parliament to be entire absent. Say a tour by yini pano, say uncle Jina wanamu. Ye representational democracy. Honorable Mumuni Nuruddin Muhammad say air conditions are a wardrobe 600 or more officers air conditions a be nya adwuma bebre say they can who binti and members of parliament or may absent. We nyame Aluta metia me na America. This is something what can over the floor of parliament. I will not be a hypocrite. Me ntina ha nyanya atwem. Me say me see say nyasa na me car akodi mechanic ho a me air condition wo me car mu. Depending on the temperature I will turn it on. Me fie me air condition wo depending on the temperature I will turn it on. So me ntina ha nyanya atwem say air condition any ni row a play e wo nipa abrabom wo ba bia yadri. But you can't tell me. Say you have 600 air conditioning nyejuma. There are not enough reasons, sir. Say parliament conveyor. You are not supposed to go to parliament. And this is the highest point of it. And I Jenny around. Every say, what is happening? Ubedia this from January to March. Our parliament, your friend the August House, it's 43 times, you know. Your members of parliament out of 43, no, be absent without permission. Emphasis mine. Absent without permission. 22 out of 43. Will be absent 17 out of 43. Will be absent 16 out of 43. Will be absent 14 out of 43. Now you see a chiriko kwa yedinima, you shana man at yedinima. And now my young men so no, young fire sent. This a baby a shamra, baby a shamra. Say yes, simre tiasia. And yeah, more shamrana brain. What are you expecting from us? You can navigate on the internet. You see the story. It is there. Captured by all the tabloids. All the prominent news portals in Ghana. The story is captured there. Mumuni, Honorable Mumuni, Nuruddin Muhammad, Member of Parliament, Naririgu Gambaga constituency. I see a condition, the job 600. I say, I am not here to glorify, say, Member of Parliament office, air condition, but when I say a man say, well, Brian, fix it. That is not what I'm saying. But what I'm saying is, in this era, is this a reason I was will be in Parliament? About your fortune, say, na, ya ni omo to aso anopay. Kukrentu misuni. Time check.